Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is definitely like a little impromptu video that I am filming on my phone because I'm so excited. I ordered glasses from EyeBuyDirect. So yeah, EyeBuyDirect. And I was super excited, and I've been waiting for them for... I ordered them August 12th, and today is August 28th. So you do the math on that, because my brain's not there right at the moment. I had such a bad migraine like all night long. And then I woke up this morning and took a bunch of ibuprofen and drank a crap ton of coffee. So now I'm all wired and my brain just isn't working like it's supposed to, but I'm awake and I can keep children alive. So that's what matters. So math is not on the table. Anyway, yeah. So anyway, I was like super excited and was just gonna take like little tidbits of a video and show like the unboxing, but then I just kind of jumped into it. So I started the video with like the unboxing, like showing you the boxes, and then started opening them and putting them on. So it's not an edited video in any way. So you guys could see. So anyway, I just wanted to get on and do like a little introduction, because then I'm just gonna upload it as is and roll with it. YOLO. I don't know. So anyway, if you want to see me opening my brand new glasses, then just keep watching. Thank you to anyone who has subscribed. Thank you for clicking on this video. I hope it is helpful to you. Just wanted to say that. I'm almost to 100 subscribers, people. I am very inconsistent with my videos, and you 93 people know that. But thank you for subscribing anyway. Thumbs up to you. Thank you to whoever, and if you keep coming back and you just haven't subscribed, that's fine too. I appreciate you watching my videos. So anyway, on to the excitement of the glasses. So I hope this helps you. Just keep watching. So this is how they came. Just 4 boxes all taped together. So they definitely put enough packing material on them, because I'm sitting here cutting each box. Like I cut each side to get them apart, and then cutting through each thing just in case there's something wrong with one of them or whatever, all of them. I don't know. Never bought them before, but just in case, so I can package them back up and send it back, because they do have a 14-day return policy, and then there's some other guarantees. I'll go over that in another part of the video, but I just wanted to try to do this part of like the opening so you guys could see, but it got a little difficult for one-handed trying to hold my phone. Okay, so then they come, this box comes inside of that box, and then they come inside. Oh, they're not in, okay. I thought they were gonna be in a hard case. So let's see. Oh, I picked the best pair to open first. So these are a different, like, tortoise shell, but like they were called the ivory tortoise, I believe. Yeah. So they're all plastic frames. I am not left-handed. I'm so excited to try these on. Here, let's see. And I dropped them. Crap. Ugh, I'm not doing very well. Hold on. Let's see. Oh, I like them. I do like, I think I like them. I'm not used to them being so light and me using my phone to record. Oh, they are light. They had a darker pair that I wish I would have seen, but for the price, I might order those too. They're like darker on the rims, and then they have the tortoise shell here. Because I have a brown pair. Do I like them? Do I like them? What do you guys think? It's different. I think I like it because it's different. I'll probably like it when my hair's up and my makeup's done. Ooh, so that's that pair. Okay, so hold on, let me open the other boxes. Okay, so I really wasn't expecting to do this from my phone right here, but I'm like super excited. So this is the second pair that I opened. I'll put it in here like what they are. Because I don't think it's gonna tell me on the box. Because one of them is called November, and then I got another pair. Oh, wait a minute. These are the November. And I think these are large. The frames, you definitely can feel like they're plastic. But, I mean, for $9, like, what do you expect? You know? Which I like plastic. I prefer plastic over, like, the metal arms. So, let's see. I'm pretty sure these were supposed to be like clear matte gray. Yeah. I mean, they look more like a clear like matte white. I thought they were gonna be more muted, like a darker color, but oh, I like them, and I like the fit, and they're so freaking light. Like they feel so light on my face. Oh, I like them. Okay. This video is going to be so long. Not really, but like I said, impromptu. And I'm trying to like nicely open the box. But I don't know, so far I'm like really liking these. I believe these are called Notting Hill, and these are medium. So I actually switched between the medium and the large, and I'm actually quite pleased with that. Oh, and like I'm pretty sure they got my prescription spot on. Because when I first went and picked these up, because I got these at the actual eye doctor, and I put them on, I was like, whoa. But I've been wearing them lately, and I'm used to them. So let's see. These are snazzy little pool drawer boxes. And I got like all 4 pairs of these for $100. So, you know, that's not bad. Ooh, they're so pretty. These are mint. And these are the Milo frame. They're mint, and these I think are large as well. Ooh, I like those. I hope this light isn't. This is like the best time of day that my babies are getting the light they need. So I don't really want to shut that. Oh, when I sit back here. Hey, baby cakes. What? Do you like my glasses? No.
Too white.
They're too white? Yeah. They're green. They're mint green. Too greeny, but that's supposed to be fun. That's why.
Yeah, too greeny. I haven't tried some other ones.
I do have other ones.
Okay. Well, I'll see if I like
She didn't like those. I like them. Whatever. She's... Ah! I can't get through the sticker. Well, poop on that. Good Lord. Okay, well. You're entitled to your opinion. Alright. I can't. I'm like... Oh. So these are the Milo, and I believe these are large. So I think these two are large, and these and the first ones are a medium. Let's see. Oh, oh my. I mean, it's definitely a funky color. It's definitely funky. Do I like it on me? I'm not sure. Am I gonna wear them? Yes. They probably look good with like blue. Like if I wasn't wearing this bright yellow shirt and then put these on, it wouldn't look like I had a banana on my face. Banana on my face. I don't know. I don't know, people. But wow, like I'm not gonna lie, I'm super impressed. Like off the top of my head, because I can't pull it up right now, I'm pretty sure that these frames were like, were these $9 and maybe these were $12, and then the lenses were $18. Not bad, people. Not bad at all. And like these are so light. Like I don't want to say they feel cheaply made. I mean, they're not thick. Like these are reinforced with like metal on the inside and then covered with that plastic. These you can definitely tell they're plastic, but I'm okay with that. They're like super light. Oh my gosh, this is so exciting. So I am definitely, ooh, these feel like smooth, nice and smooth, where these have like a, like they're smooth, but they have like that plasticky, like, I want to say that plasticky texture, because I don't want that to be misconstrued as thinking like they're rough or anything like that. Like they're not. But like these have a smoothness about them. Oh, you know what? These have metal in them. Maybe that's why they feel a little different. I don't know. I'm so excited. Oh, that is so much fun. I don't know. Which ones do you guys like? Definitely something different than just like my black. And I wear glasses like every day except when I'm doing my makeup. I like these. I like these. I definitely think I'm going to order more glasses from them, because I ordered my last glasses from Glasses USA, and I'm not gonna lie, they were hella freaking expensive compared to these. I mean, $12. And I can buy so many different fun, exciting colors and lenses, and yeah. I mean, they have a range of different ones you can buy, you know, price-wise, this, that, and the other, but yeah, guys, so that is my unboxing of my EyeBuyDirect glasses. So I hope you find this helpful. I literally just like jumped right into this video. So little little impromptu unboxing for you. Hope you guys enjoy it. I hope it's helpful if you're looking at EyeBuyDirect. I give them a thumbs up. So, all right, guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.